Alright guys, today I'm going to make a quick video and I'm going to show you how to remove a wiper arm off your vehicle. So to do this project, you're going to need one tool, or at least I needed one tool. I was unable to do it without it. And that tool that you need is going to be a windshield wiper arm removal tool. So I got it on Amazon. I ordered it. It's about 10 bucks. Like I said, I'm going to put a link to that product in my description so you can find it easily. But a little backstory on what happened to us. My wife went through a drive-through car wash. And when she left, she noticed that her rear wiper arm was broke. So, like I said, I ordered the new wiper arm, the windshield wiper arm removal tool, and I'm gonna show you the steps to just swapping that thing out. So let's go. All right, so the first step is gonna be to remove this cap, that protective housing. And then you've got one nut that you gotta take off there. For me, in this vehicle, it's a 1/2 inch. So you loosen that up. So you get off there. So what happens is, without that windshield wiper arm removal tool, it's hard to get it off of there. And I'll show you. So the one that I bought, this is what it looks like. Like I said, and you adjust it and you fit it over it. So I fit it right around that housing. Here, come to the side so you can see it good. And I tighten it down, that way it's gonna grab just behind it. And once you got it in place good, you just slowly tighten down on it. All right, and then it breaks it free for you. All right, guys, so at this point, you just want to take that tension off of it, off the arm side, and then it should come right off for you like that. All right, so then you take the broken arm and you just replace it with your new one. Like I said, I'm gonna put a link to the one that I used to replace it. I'm gonna put it in the description, that way you can see what I used for this 2021 Volkswagen Atlas. But all right, so I'm gonna show you the steps to put it back on now. All right, the big thing here is once you put it on here, you just wanna make sure that you get it in line and place where it's supposed to be. All right, that looks about right. All right, so I'll get my nut, put it back on here. Like I said, I'm gonna tighten this thing down, but I'm not gonna tighten it too much because I don't want to break anything. So just give it a good snug, and that'll be good to go. All right, and last step, throw that cap back on it. All right, guys, so that's it. It's that easy. Like I said, with the proper tool, it makes the job easy. Without it, it makes it pretty tough. But anyway, like I said, so wiper arm removal tool, I think it's about 10 bucks on Amazon. I hope this was helpful, and thank you for watching.